Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Limaville is a beautiful part of Ontario's cottage country, located near Muskoka. This area is known for its serene lakes, picturesque landscapes, and the quintessential cottage experience. Limaville is perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're here to relax by the lake, explore the surrounding forests, or simply take in the natural beauty, this area offers a true getaway. Muskoka, often called the Hamptons of the North, is famous for its stunning lakes, outdoor activities, and charming towns. You'll find everything from cozy, rustic cabins to luxurious cottages along the waterfront. Whether you're visiting for a weekend or an extended stay, Limaville has something to offer everyone. Enjoy the peacefulness of nature, the warmth of the local communities, and the beauty that makes this area one of Ontario's most beloved vacation spots.
Thanks for watching!